Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Krig C. To acquire this popular assault rifle, you'll need to navigate the Battle Pass system in Black Ops 6 or Warzone. The Krig C is known for its high damage output, making it a valuable addition to your loadout. We'll cover the exact steps to ensure you can add this weapon to your arsenal quickly and efficiently. Get ready to dominate the battlefield with this powerful firearm. The main way to get the Krig C is by advancing through the Season 1 Battle Pass. You'll need to play matches in either Black Ops 6 or Warzone to earn Battle Pass progression. Once you reach page 6 of the Battle Pass, you'll find the Krig C listed as the high-value target. Make sure to unlock all other items on that page to claim your new assault rifle. If you prefer to bypass the Battle Pass grind, you can purchase a store bundle that includes a Krig C blueprint. This grants immediate access, but remember, you won't be able to customize attachments until the base weapon is unlocked through the Battle Pass or a future challenge. Once Season 1 concludes, a dedicated in-game challenge will be introduced, offering another path to acquire the Krig C. To speed up your Krig C acquisition, focus on earning Battle Pass tokens by playing consistently. These tokens allow you to unlock tiers and pages faster. Prioritize game modes that offer generous experience points to maximize your progression. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your new Krig C and dominate the battlefield.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.